Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you how to remove your computer monitor from the wall mount. Okay, so this is just the basic information. If your monitor mount to the wall and you find out the plate and everything is similar to this, so use this video for your information. Okay, to do that you need to have a screwdriver. Now first of all, remove the lock from the plate. Okay, until the lock is now, go to that position and you can take out this monitor from the plate. For example, if your monitor in this position, take out from below and then take your monitor from above like this, and your plate will be stay on the wall like this. And you now take your monitor out and put it on a flat surface table, and then you now can remove this mount from the monitor. So there are 4 screws that you need to remove. Use the same screwdriver, remove it. Okay, so that's it. That is all for today's video of how you can remove the computer monitor from the wall mount installation. And now thanks for your time watching this video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.